Hello, here are the main ways to charge the Samsung Galaxy S26 and what charging speed you can expect. So the fastest method is wired charging with a USB-C cable and compatible wall charger. The Galaxy S26 supports up to 25 watt super fast charging, but as you can see it only charged 18 in my case. And if you are wondering why sometimes the phone doesn't actually reach the top speed, because Samsung advertised the maximum possible charging speed, but under some specific conditions. So the S26 will reach 25 watts when the battery is really low, like around 0 or 10%. When the battery fills up, then the phone automatically reduces the power to protect the battery and prevent overheating, like in my case. You have to also make sure that you have enabled the fast charging and the battery settings. So here, the fast charging and the fast wireless charging. So you can use any power delivery USB charger that support PPS. And remember that with a regular USB charger that doesn't actually support fast charging, the speed will be even much lower. And you can use almost any USB cable, even the USB-A into the USB-C. But remember, to reach fast charging, you need cable that support 25 watts and the same with the power brick. But if you don't have one next to you, I can even charge it, for example, with my Sennheiser headphones cable. You can also charge the S26 by connecting it to a laptop, desktop computer, or monitor, or for example into other smartphone. Like as you can see now, I'm connected to the Realme 16 Pro and it only charged with 8 watts. But you have to remember that these ports usually provide much less power, often around 2.5 to 7.5 watts, so charging will be significantly slower. But if you don't have a power adapter next to you, that's also the way to charge your phone. Galaxy S26 also support wireless charging with speeds of about 15 watts. So this is actually everything, all charging methods for the Samsung Galaxy S26.